Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Windows 11 tutorial, I'll show you how to completely turn off the Windows feed, the news and weather panel you see here on your taskbar. Let's get started. First, as you can see, this is the Windows feed panel that shows weather, news, and other stories. If you don't use it and want to remove it, here's how. Simply right-click on your taskbar. From the menu, click on Taskbar Settings. This will open the Personalization Settings window. In the Taskbar Items section, look for the option called Widgets. Now, turn the toggle switch off. As soon as you do this, the weather icon and news feed, this entire panel, will disappear from your taskbar. If you ever want it back, just return here and turn the toggle back on. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the Windows feed in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might want a cleaner taskbar.